Hello, very good morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain a topic that is multiplication. Dear student, this video helpful for class 3rd, 4th and 5th. Okay, in this video I am going to explain how to multiply a large number by one digit number, which is helpful for class 3rd. Second, I want to multiply a large number by two digit number, okay, which is helpful for class 4th. Okay, now third is multiply a large number by three digits number, which is helpful for class 4th, 5th, both classes. Now, dear student, I will start multiplication. Okay, so first of all, here I am going to explain how to multiply a large number by one digit number. Okay, here I want to multiply a large number by one digit number. Large number may be 3 digit, may be 4 digit. Whatever I take, I will multiply this number, means that number, by one digit number. So now let's start. Dear student, here I take question number 1, that is multiply 2345 by 6. Okay, so dear student, 2345 is a large number and I want to multiply this number by 6. Okay, so here how can we multiply this number? So keep in mind, dear student, first of all I read table of 6. Okay, table of 6 up to 5. Getting? Means first of all I multiply 6 5 times. Getting? Okay, now what I get means 5 6 you all know very well what is the answer, that is 30, or you can say 6 5 again 30. Getting? So dear student, here I will not write 30. Why not? Because I multiply only ones place. Clear? So if I multiply ones place, getting? So I only write here ones place. Means I take this 3 as a carry. Means I add this 3 when I multiply 6 and 4. Okay, when I multiply 6 and 4, what I get? I get any number, okay, and I add this 3 with that number. Okay, now so dear student, what I do here, I will put here 0 and this 3 I will take carry. Clear? So dear student, 3 is your carry. You can write here. Also you can write here, but this is not matter. You can write these things here. Ready? Now, dear student, yes, you get here 0. Now, dear student, 3 take you have to carry here. Now, what you do? You have to multiply 6 and 4. What you do? You multiply 6 and 4. Now, 4 multiply by 6. What is the answer? You all know that answer is 24. And you know very well 3 is already carry. So 24 plus 3. What is the answer? You all know that the answer becomes 27. What is your answer? Answer becomes 27. So dear student, 7 I write here, means ones place I write here, and this will I take carry. Why it is this? If I write this 2 here, then it becomes 1 times 100. Okay, but I multiply this 6 with only tens place, so I write only up to tens here. Okay, so this number again I will take carry. Okay, I will I will add this number with tens place. After multiplying 6 and 3, I get any number and I add this 2 with that number. Now, so I will remove it. Okay. So dear student, 2 is here carry. Now, what I do? Now dear student, I will multiply. Now dear student, I will multiply 6 with 3. Okay, so what you get? You get 3 6 the, or you can 6 3 the, answer is 18. Okay, and you know very well how much carry is here. So 6 4 is 24, and you already know 3 is carry, this become 27. So 2 is already carry. Okay, because 2 is already here, so this 2 I add here. I already say I add this with 100 place. Getting? Because 1 stands 100. 2 is comes on 100 place, so I add this 2 on a 100 place. Okay, so 18 plus 2, what you get? You get here 20. Okay, so you write 0 here. 2 will again take carry. 2 again you take carry. So what you do? You have to remove this 2 from this, and this 2 you keep in your mind. This is your carry. Okay. Now, dear student, what you do after this? I will remove all these things. Now, dear student, what I do? I multiply 6 with 2. Okay, so 6 2s are, you know 2 multiplied by 6, or you can say 2 6s or 6 2s. Answer is 12. Getting? So what I do? I write here 12, and 2 is already carry. 12 plus 2, what is answer? It becomes 14. Now there is no digit to multiply here, so this 14 completely I write here. I will not take this one carry. Why not? Because there is no any digit. Okay, there is only 4 digit, and I multiply all 4 digits by 6. First I multiply 5 and 6, then I multiply 4 and 6, then I multiply 3 and 6, and last I multiply 2 and 6. Whatever I get carry, I add in next place. In this way, dear student, I get answer. What is answer? Answer is 14,070. Okay, so dear students, I hope you understand all these things very well, how to multiply a large number by one digit number. Okay, now dear student, next question is multiply a large number, that is 2345 by 2 digit number, that is 78. So dear student, here I want to multiply this large number by this 2 digit number. Okay, so how can we multiply this number? Now let's start. Dear student, first of all, write here 2345. Okay, and I want to multiply this number by 78. So first of all, I multiply by digit 8. Getting? So I write here digit 8, and I want to multiply this number by 8. 8 5s are, what is answer? Answer is 40. So this 4 I will not write here. Why not? Because 4 I will take carry. Clear? Now dear student, I will read table 8 up to 4. So 8 4s are, what you get? You get 32. So 32, if you add with this 4, what you get? You get 36. So dear student, 36 I will write here. Means I write 6 here, and this 3 I will take carry. Clear? What I want to say, dear student, I get 36. Okay, and I will write 6 here, and 3 I will take carry. Getting? Now After multiplying 4 and 8, I will multiply 8 and 3. So 8 3s are, what you get? Dear student, you know very well, 8 3s are, what you get? You get 24. 24 plus 3, what is the answer? 27. So I write 7 here and 2 become carry. Okay, so 2 is your carry. I write this 2 here. Now you will multiply 8 and 2. So 8 2s are, what is the answer? 16. 16 plus 2, what you get? You get 18. Clear? 8 2s are 16 and 16 plus 2, what is the answer? 18. So dear student, you will write 18. So dear student, you will write 18 here. Okay, now in this way, dear student, we get answer 18,760. So this answer I will write here. Okay, what I do, I will write this answer here. Answer is 18,760. Okay, now I will erase all these things. Okay, now dear student, next is digit 7. Okay, now I want to multiply this number by digit 7. So you know very well, 7 comes on which place? This is your ones place, this is your tens place. So tens place means 10 times. So on the tens place, what I write? 7. So this is called 7 tens. So first of all, you understand what do you mean by 7 tens? 7 tens means 70. 7 multiplied by 10. So what is the answer? You get 70. Getting? So dear student, here I want to multiply this number by this digit. Okay, so I will write here multiply by 7. Actually there is 70, but dear student, this 0 I will put already on the ones place. Why do this? Because I know very well, if you multiply any large number by 10, what you get? You get 1 0 more. If you multiply this number by 10, so what you get? This 0 become here. Okay, and this number become in this way. Okay, so here what I am doing here, dear student, I want to multiply this number by 7. Okay, so here first of all I put here 0. Whenever you multiply any number by tens place, you have to write 0 here. Keep in your mind, you can write 0 or maybe cross. It depends on you. Okay, this cross means 0. Okay, what do you mean by this? This means 0. So dear student, here I mark 0 on the ones place, because this is your ones place and this is your ones place. So if you multiply any large number by tens place, so you always put 0 on the ones place. This is very important for you. Okay, now after doing this, what you do, you have to multiply this number by 7. Okay, 0 this is 0, this 0 already I put here, so there is no need to put this 0 here. Okay, now you have to multiply by directly 7. Now you know very well, 7 5s are, what is the answer? 35, and 3 become carry. Okay, now you will read table up to 4. So 7 4s are, what is the answer? Answer is 28, and 3 is already here. So 28 3, what is the answer? 28 3 means 31. After adding 3, you get 31. So dear student, there is 3, but I take this 3 as a carry. So I only write here 1. So this again, so dear student, again 3 become carry. Now next is, I want to multiply 7 and 3. So what is the answer? 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, what you get? 24. Now, dear student, 24, I will not write this 2. Why not? Because this 2 I will take carry. So, dear student, I will remove this thing. I write here 2 as a carry. Okay. Now, dear student, I want to multiply 7 and 2. So 7 2s are, what you get? You get 14. 14 and 2, you get 16. So I will write this answer here. I complete write 16. Why complete? Because there is no digit here for multiplication. Okay. So 7 2s are, what is answer? 7 2s are is 14 and 2, you get 16. So dear student, this answer you have to write here. Okay. So I write this answer from tens place. This is your ones place, this is your tens place. On the ones place you already put 0. So this answer start from the tens. Keep in your mind, this answer will start from tens. Okay. Now I will write this answer here. What is answer? 5 you write here, 1 you write here, 4, 6 and 1. Okay. Now dear student, what you do after doing this, you have to add this thing. What you do? You have to add. Getting? So this answer and this answer you have to add. What you get? You will get answer of multiplication of 78. That means you multiply this number by this number. So first of all we add here. Okay. Now I will remove all these things which I write here. Okay. Now in this way, dear student, I will get answer. Now what is the answer? I will write answer some. Now so 0 plus 0, what you get? 0. 5 plus 6, you know very well, what is answer? 11. 1 become carry. You can also write this one here, but I write here. This is for your understanding. Okay. Now 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, what you get? You get here 8, and 8 and 1, it becomes 9. Now there is no carry. Okay. So dear student, after this you have 8 and 4. 8 and 4, it become 12. So 2 right here and 1 become carry. Okay. You can write carry here, whatever you like. Now next is 1 plus 1, 2 and 6, it become 8. Now dear student, last digit is 1, so you write 1 here. So what is your answer? Now your answer is here. I will write this answer. So dear student, I will write this answer here. Okay. So after multiplying 2345 by 78, what you get? 1,82,910. So dear student, this is your answer after multiplying a large number by 2-digit number. I hope you understand it very well. Now next is, okay, now dear student, next question is, multiply a large number, that is 2345 by 3-digit number, that is 415. Here I want to multiply this number by a 3-digit number. So dear student, up to 2-digit number we learn in previous example. Now we are going to discuss how to multiply a large number by 3-digit number. Okay. So dear student, first of all here same procedure I will follow. Okay. What I do, I will write 2345 here. Okay. After that what I do, I will multiply this number by this digit, means first digit, and I will get answer, and that answer I will write here. Okay, after that what I do, I will multiply this large number by next digit, that means of tens place. Okay, and you know very well, whenever you multiply by tens place, you put 0 on ones place. Clear? Now after that what you do, you have to multiply by next digit, that is 100 place. So if you want to multiply by 100 place, you multiply this number by 4 and you get here a number, and which you write after that. Means you write 3 answer here. First answer you get after multiplying 5, and second answer you get here after multiplying by 1, and third answer you get after multiplying by 4. Now dear student, all these answers you have to add here and you will get a complete answer. Now let's try. Now dear student, we want to multiply here first by digit 5. So I write here 2315 and I want to multiply it by 5. Okay, so if you want to multiply by 5, what you get? You get 5 5s are 25. Okay, and 5 you write here, and 2 will you have take carry. Okay, so this 2 I will take carry. Clear? Now 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2, what you get? You get 7. Okay, now there is no carry. Clear? Now dear student, you multiply 3 and 5. So what you get? You will get 15, a carry. Clear? Now next you multiply 5 and 2. So 5 2 is a 10, 10 plus 1 you get here 11. So in this way you get here 11,575. Okay, now dear student, I will remove these things. Now I want to multiply by digit 1. Okay, so I write here digit 1, which is tens place. So you know very well, whenever you multiply by tens place, you put here 0 or you can put here cross. Getting? Now you will multiply here by 1. So what you get? You get 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. So this answer start from the tens place. Okay, this is a ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000. So dear student, in this way we start your answer. So I write 5 here, 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here and 2 here. Okay, I will write this one here so that it become more clear. Now after doing this, now dear student, we remove this and I want to multiply by next digit. So last digit is 4. So I will put 4 here. Now if you multiply by this digit, so this digit comes on which place? 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. If you multiply by 100 place, you know very well this is 400. How many? 400. Okay, because the place value of 4 is 400. So here you want to multiply this number. So here this means you want to multiply a digit 4, that means it gives you 400. So here I put 20 first. Okay, clear? And dear student, now I want to multiply by digit 4. So if you want to multiply by digit 4, so what you get? Answer you will get here 4 5s are 20 and 2 is carry. 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 you get 6. Now next is 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so dear student, there is no carry because 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 you get 6, so there is no carry. Clear? Now next is 4 3 ja, that is 12, so 12 2 right here and 1 become carry. Now 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 you get 9, so this answer you have to write from 100 place. Okay, I will write this answer here. 0, first write this 0, then 6, then 2, then 9. Okay, now I want to add these. Okay, so dear student, here I mark plus, here also I put plus sign. Now I want to add these three numbers, okay, which I get after multiplying 5, 1 and 4. So dear student, I remove all these things because there is no need. So dear student, this answer I will write here because there is no space. So 0 0 0 and 5. So 0 plus 5, what you get? You get here 5. Okay, so after adding this you get 5. Now if you add these digits, what you get? 7 plus 5 12. 2 you write here and 1 become carry. So where you write carry? Here. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, so 7 you can write here. Clear? Now next is 6 plus 3 9 and 1, it become 10, so again there is carry. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 and 2 4, 4 and 2 6, so I write this 6 here. Okay, now last is 9, so there is no carry, so dear student, you write 9 here. So after writing this, what you get? You get 9,60,725. So dear student, this is your answer which you get after multiplying. So dear student, thank you for watching this video.